Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 25 to the power of x is equal to 125. Now, when we're solving problems such as these ones, and we're using exponents, we always want to make the bases of these two terms the same. As you can see here, the bases of these two terms right now are 25 and 125, which aren't the same. So we need to change these two terms so that they have the same base. Well, what's a common base for these two terms? 5, because 25 is equal to 5 squared, and 125 is equal to 5 to the power of 3. So if we plug these values in for our numbers here, both our bases would be 5. So now we have 5 squared to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n. So 5 to the power of 2 to the power of x, this is going to equal 5 to the power of 2 times x, which is simply equal to 5 to the power of 2x. So now we have 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 5 to the power of 3. And if we have something in the form a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then this means that m is equal to n. So right here, we have 5 to the power of 2x equals 5 to the power of 3. This means that 2x is equal to 3. Now, this is a simple equation. All I have to do is isolate x. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2. These two cancel out, and I get x is equal to 3 over 2. So this is our answer. Hey guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 5 to the power of x plus 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 5 to the power of x is equal to 2. Now, I'm first going to factor out 5 to the power of x from this. So we get 5 to the power of x times 5 to the power of x divided by 5 to the power of x is 1 plus, same thing over here, 1 plus 1 plus 1, and finally plus 1. And this is equal to 2. Now, if we simplify what's in the parentheses, we get 5. We get 5 to the power of x times 5 is equal to 2. Now, I'm going to divide both sides by 5 to move this 5 to the right side. So now these two cancel out, and we get 5 to the power of x is equal to 2 over 5. Now, I'm actually going to take the log of both sides. So we get log 5 to the power of x is equal to log 2 over 5. Now, using the power property of logarithms, I can actually move this exponent to the front of the logarithm. So this would be x times log 5 is equal to log 2 over 5. Now I'm actually going to divide both sides by log 5. So these two cancel out, and I get x is equal to log. And an important property of exponents is we can rewrite a fraction as the numerator, so log 2, minus log 5. And now we were dividing this with log 5. Now I can actually rewrite this as log 2 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. Now log 5 over log 5, these two cancel out and it's simply just 1. So we get log 2 over log 5 minus 1. Now log 2 is approximately 0.3010. And log 5 is approximately 0.6990. And we are subtracting this with 1, and this is equal to negative 0.5694. So x is equal to negative 0.5694, and that is our answer.